Welcome to Louisiana Gardening Family. Today we are going to do some hibiscus tea or Roselle. Thai Roselle, red Roselle.
Yeah, red rose.
So at first we had like dry this in our dehydrator for overnight. So we had a dehydrator overnight. Still, the hibiscus is still here. Some of them.
Yeah. So you can see when it's dried how it really, you can hear how it sounds. It's crunchy. So, and we have, I think when you're drying, it really, I mean, start out with the cheap one. A lot of people say buy the high one, but we've had this for what?
For years already.
Few
like
years.
2 years already.
Yeah.
We've been
And it's
using it.
working good.
We've been making some roll ups and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna try like I just put a little bit because if you're gonna use a lot of this gonna be like strong, so you don't wanna be like have a lot like a strong tea. So we're just gonna put a little bit and then hot water, please.
We can fill it up. For the sake of the video, we can fill it up.
Okay, fill it up. You can put all of this.
You always can add water
More
after
water.
you finish.
And this kind of tea is good, like you can drink it cold or you wanna eat, like especially in the winter time it's better to drink it hot. But in the summer it tastes better with cold water or icy cold water.
Right. And also, this is how we've actually been storing these. We're just drying it and getting some Tupperware. You can put it in the Tupperware. We have these things. So, and basically, you take it out of your dehydrator and store it. So far, we haven't had any problems with any kind of growing, nothing growing on it or anything like that. And it's real strong.
It's strong, smell like sourly taste, like lemony taste.
Yeah. So you can add whatever you want to add, lemon or
Water, like I mean, lemon.
look at that.
More water.
My hand is in the way. Let me come from.
Let me do it.
I'll just switch my hands. Give me a second. 'Cause I don't want to open it back up. I don't want to get in the way. Can you bring it over a little bit more? Yeah, pick it up. See, I can let y'all get in. This is actually a good tea maker.
Oh, that's enough.
And you'll see how the water begins to turn red
Red.
as it seeps in quickly.
So we gotta have to wait till at least 5 minutes. Like,
So while we're doing that, let's add a little sugar in one and a little honey in another cup. And that way we will get ready. While that's seeping, we'll do a little taste test. Let me help you out, ma'am. Can you hold the bottle? Look at that honey. Local honey.
Not that much sugar. Put honey in there. Use this.
So we got us
This
a
honey.
honey spoon. Don't waste too much of it.
Just honey for a little bit.
What's up, Control? Yeah, that's good. That's good. Drop it over. Hurry up. Look, all you gotta do is grab it, dip it in, turn it, and you leave that one in because once the hot tea hits it, it'll melt the honey.
That'll be like
So-
just liquid.
So we see now that the
It's
Roselle is starting to turn. It doesn't turn as fast as the elderberry tea, but you can stir it around. I kind of put a little too much water in it, but you can like kind of shake it like a slow. I don't want you to burn yourself, Mom. Let me show. You can just give it like a slow turn like that.
Shake it a little bit.
Yeah.
What's in there? I don't see anything.
Be careful
So,
because it's
Yeah.
leaking.
So you can see.
Oh, it's at
It's leaking because I put too much, but I'll have to clean up. But you can see, and it gets darker and darker as the minutes pass. So we've been growing this Roselle since March. Yeah, we're trying to save the seeds.
Hopefully that we still got some seeds from the last time that we bought the
Yeah, we still got a few
like
seeds
about
left.
few seeds, like 6 something like that.
So even if our seeds don't make it,
we still, got
we still
some.
have some more seeds to plant. I also saw when I was when the frost came, it killed the Roselle back. We actually harvested some late that kind of caused us to lose. I'll pick Zion up. That kind of caused us to lose some of
Roselle.
the Roselle. But one thing I did see when I was cutting the Roselle up was looks like when the branches touched the dirt, they were rooting in the dirt. So next year I'm going to try to see could I get some cuttings or could I root some of that Roselle and actually put it in the high tunnel, and that way hopefully start a new plant and be able to save some seeds because we need the Roselle to dry out on the branch.
Yeah.
They don't do well when they're not drying out.
And do not wait till.
Yeah, don't wait till the first frost to
to
cut them. You got to cut them
because
before.
We was with some of our Roselle the thing had like got molded because like it's I think soaked with some like water with already
Yeah.
because of
The frost makes them turn real watery.
I think
Yeah. So we just wanted to give you a little backdrop. Don't hold on. A little backdrop. So as she presses the button, let me back it up a little bit. It actually has released that mechanism releases the water. So you can see now we have the tea in the top. Open up, press the black button, open up the top. And we still have the Roselle inside as you actually can do this over and over and over. We've used that Roselle.
for like the whole week.
Yeah, we just keep adding water, even adding cold water. I've seen it. I mean, it still seeps and does well. So
Like what I said is like if you want a tea in the summertime, you can do that as well.
yeah, because you can do it with fresh Roselle as well. But look at that color.
You don't want how much.
Yeah.
Fill it up, please. Alright, so I don't know about the sugar.
You don't know about the sugar too much? She's not really a sugar person.
No, I'm not really onto. Sometimes I don't like sugar or honey on my tea. I just want to drink it like regular because I don't like. They put different like texture, like different taste to it.
Yeah. So let's taste it out. So one has sugar, one has the honey. Look at this little one. It's like Kool-Aid. Like to me, it tastes like the Jello when moms used to make the hot Jello back in the day, and the Jello like they poured the Jello packs in the hot water, and we would take the spoon and taste some of it. It kind of tastes like that to me. How does it smell? How does it smell?
Like,
It smells stink.
like you know the like it's
This is
some,
the little
it's
crazy one here.
It's reminded me of something. Like the smell. It's like a pear. You know when a pear with like a pear when it's like you cutting the pear up and
This
then
one tastes nothing but like honey.
you juice
I
it.
mean, taste and smell.
That's how it smells.
What you think? Let's try to get some of this. This is my good taster. I don't know what y'all children. Get out of my way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. You don't know.
This is too sweet.
What, that's the honey one?
Yeah, this one too. Even though like I just put a little
Yeah, because it's a small cup though.
yeah.
Shy,
But like
Let me
what I
know.
said.
this is my #1 tester. This one here don't like nothing. Don't like broccoli, don't like this, don't like that, don't like this. This is my
taste
tester.
sugar.
That's the sugar one. She look at that little smile on her face when she get the test. Oh, and Zion is a good tester.
Come and taste this.
What you think? Which one tastes better, this one or the elderberry?
I don't taste that
The elderberry was the first one. The brown one. The brown
Simon
tea.
don't like tea.
All right.
Which
I
one?
like the double.
Both of them. All right. Out of the red tea and the brown tea. So we had the hibiscus tea is the red one, and the brown tea is the elderberry one with the little flowers on it. Which one you thought was best?
I think this one was the best.
This one was the best. Does it taste like Kool-Aid? Do you get a Kool-Aid-y taste from this one or what? A little bit.
Like especially when you use sugar.
Yeah.
It's like tastes really, really like.
Let me see. What you
like
think, Mom?
The fruit punch.
You didn't like either one? I think it tastes good. Try it again.
I did.
Give it another try. Give it another try. One more try.
This the honey one?
I don't know which one is
Yeah,
which.
that's the honey one, and this one is the sugar. I really like it.
Ah, princess. Come on, what you think?
It's nasty.
It's nasty to you? What you think, Shy? Not nasty to you, huh? All right. Can't get everybody. Can't win everybody over. In time, maybe as the... I like this because it offers us something in the wintertime to have something that's fresh, something that's grown in-house or at home, and it allows us to grow something that keeps us warm, a nice warm tea early in the morning or something like that. So that's pretty much basically
It
what.
might be good when you breast, especially when you breastfeed and you don't need no coffee or something.
Maybe. And sit down and breastfeed with some with a
Tea.
tea in your hand. This one wants to dance. She gotta go to her channel and do some dancing. So thank y'all for watching Louisiana Gardening Family. And once again, as always, grow, grow, grow. Peace.